Here's the third violin part to scale fun for 4. I'm going to set my metronome at 66 so that we can practice together. Now, remember third violins, you have 1 full measure of rests before you come in. So get set up, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. Rest, rest, rest. 1. Now slur. Slur. 2, 3. Okay, now that last line's the hardest one, right? So let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at the very last line, starting on measure 13. If you look up by the first violin part, there's a little 13 there. That can tell you the measure numbers. You can see the line above it has a 7 also. So that's where you can start counting. Really, measure 14 is the tricky one, right? But let's start at measure 13. Down, up, down, up, down. This is a down bow. Okay, so put your 1 on the A string, and we're going to go note by note. 1 on A, ready, play. 1, 2, 3. Now, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, good. Now, the last line is the trickiest, right? So let's practice that together. Put your bow, we're going to start on the measure 13. Put your bow on the A string with 1 on A. And here we go, note by note. 1 on A, 3 beats low. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, hop your first finger over to the D string and hop your bow and lift your bow up onto the D string. Ready? 1 on D, open D, 1 on D, 3 on D. Now, right here, make sure your second finger is in the air. So when I put my third finger down, my second finger was in the air. Pull it back and put it on the A string on a C natural. This is close to your first finger. And then rock your bow back to the A string. Here we go, low 2 on A. Ready, set, play. 1, 2, 3, and 1 on A. 2, 3. All right, let's do it without stopping this time. Remember, hold your second finger up when we put the 3 on D down. Here we go, measure 13, last line. 1 on A. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1 on D. Hold your 2 up, low 2. 1, 2, 3, and first finger. 2, 3. All right, now let's break that down just a little bit more, because when we're practicing, we want to find the smallest bit that gives us trouble and start fixing it from there. So I'm going to find measure 14, which is the second measure on the last line, and I'm just going to start on the third note. So I'm going to practice 1 on D, 3 on D, 2 on A. Just those 3 notes. I'm going to start on an up bow. Here we go, ready? 1 on D, 3 on D, keep your 2 in the air, low 2 on A. All right, let's do it 3 times. If you're practicing with me, keep your violin up because we're going to go 3 times in a row. Here we go. Up bow, 1 on D. 1, 2, 3. Back to an up bow. Ready, play. Again. Ready, play. Okay, if you need to practice more, turn the video off and practice until you've got it. Now we're going to start back at measure 13, and we're going to see if your practice helped. This is a down bow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Did it help? Okay, so now you know how to practice. You might practice just measure 14 by itself too. Remember that also starts on an up bow. Okay, good luck.